ओके, तुम हमारी बात तो मानने वाले हो नहीं, शाहिद।
Alright.
I think ये आप ही कर सकते हो जो हम नहीं कर सकते। हमें इन बच्चों को आवाज तो करवानी लेकिन बिठाना भी है। शाहिद, let's see how good a teacher you are, bro.
How are you doing, guys? I can't hear you. Wow. We have 5,000 kids here, right?
Absolutely.
Yes.
That's some kind of a record, I think.
Going to be a Guinness Book of World Record now.
Unbelievable.
Yani 4,999 has never been attempted. Shahid, this is the first.
Yeah, I'm
time.
included, so that makes it 5,000 because I still consider myself a kid.
Okay, first of all, बच्चे लोग तालियों के साथ, we will bring up on stage the CEO, Managing Director. All right. First, let us call on stage Mr. Bhargav Das Gupta, the CEO, Managing Director of ICICI Lombard General Insurance. Hello, sir. How are you doing, sir? Welcome. इन्होंने हमें यहाँ पर लेकर आए, तालियां हो जाए. And now, sir, do you want to say something to everybody? All right.
Okay, what we do is, now everybody sits down because I, Shahid and Aman and of course Bhargav Das Gupta sir, we're going to go right there and we will try to create this record. Come Shahid, let's go. Let's go. Make way guys, make way. Everybody sits down, nobody moves. Nobody moves. You. Okay, everybody sit down, Okay, sit down guys, sit down.
We will come back. Shahid.
Okay guys, you need to sit down. सारे बच्चे please बैठ जाओ. Everybody sits down because
Uber cool, the uber cool superstar rockstar Shahid Kapoor.
All right. Okay guys. अगर हमें रिकॉर्ड करना है तो सारे बच्चे जहां हैं प्लीज बैठ जाओ. आपको इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए गए थे, उन इंस्ट्रक्शंस को फॉलो करना है. सिट डाउन राइट नाउ क्योंकि अगले 2 मिनट में इस रिकॉर्ड को शाहिद के साथ हम सब इसे अटेम्प्ट करने वाले हैं. We've got Miss Lucia who's here and she is going to judge कि आपने Guinness Book of World Record में एंट्री की या की. So everybody sit down. सारे बच्चे
I love that.
Right down.
Okay. Anjuman Islam, बैठ जाओ. St. Paul, be a good school, St. Paul, please बैठ जाओ. Antonio Silva, De Silva, whatever we are, please sit.
सारे बैठ जाओ.
Dr. Antonio De Silva, please sit. This side on the left. Everybody please sit.
All right.
Please sit. At the back.
Yeah. All right. Everybody sits down. Now Shahid is going to tell you helmet कैसे पहनना है. हमने आपको instruction दिया था, हमने rehearsal किया था. सारे बच्चे stewards, make sure आप अपने बच्चों के साथ बैठे हुए हैं. No steward is going to stand. Everybody sit down.
I think we're doing good, Rahman. Okay, अभी आपको हमने जैसे सिखाया है बच्चे लोग, जैसे सिखाया है वैसे ही सब कुछ होगा. So I want everybody's attention, undivided attention चाहिए आपका. Stewards, आप भी please बैठ जाइए. Stewards, please sit down. All the stewards, only you're standing right now. Stewards, please sit. All the stewards.
Antonio, school के please बच्चे बैठ जाओ. You're the only ones who are standing. Please sit down. Everybody sit down on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Everybody down. अंजुमन इस्लाम के बच्चियां please बैठ जाओ. अंजुमन इस्लाम के बच्चियां please बैठ जाओ.
Okay, Shahid, are we ready?
Okay.
We will bring that on stage. All right, now it's time for the demo. हमने कहा था जब शाहिद ये हेलमेट पहनाएंगे तब सारे बच्चे हेलमेट पहनेंगे.
All right.
All right?
Okay. ओए सारे बच्चे कैप्स ऑफ. सारे बच्चे अपने अपने कैप नीचे उतार के रखो. सारे बच्चे कैप्स डाउन.
There's a kid here.
सारे बच्चे कैप्स डाउन.
Okay, guys, are we ready to do this? I can't see everybody's caps off, यार.
सारे कैप्स ऑफ.
जिसकी कैप बाजू में पहनी हुई है, उसके साइड वाला बच्चा उसकी कैप उतार दो.
वाह वाह वाह, what a job. टोपी निकालो, टोपी
सब
निकालो.
टोपी निकालो. Everybody's caps off. Are everybody's caps off? Yes, no, maybe. No reaction. Are you dehydrated in the heat? I can't hear you. Is everybody's caps off? No, I can't hear you. That sounds like 10 kids. I think there's 5,000. Are everybody's caps off? All right, are we ready to wear the helmets?
All right, very nice. Towards, sit down.
Okay, first of all, what's your name?
Rafia Sheikh.
Rafia Sheikh has a strong voice.
Whoa.
Rafia, how old are you?
I am 12 years old.
She is 12 years old. And what is she going to tell us today? How to be safe and no helmet, no ride. All right, let's hear you say it.
No helmet, no ride.
Can I hear everybody say it? 1, 2, 3. No helmet, no ride. You have to go and tell your mummy this. You have to go and tell your papa this. You have to go and tell your chacha, mama, kaka, everybody. That if you don't wear a helmet, I'm not going to let you sit on a motorcycle. And if you don't have a helmet for me, I'm not going to sit on the motorcycle. All right? Does that make sense? Safety comes first. Health is wealth. All right, are we ready to wear the helmet, everybody? Everybody show me your helmets. Everybody's helmets up, helmets up. All right, that's awesome. Guys, cover that.
All right.
All
Look
right,
at
that's
that.
an amazing, amazing shot. Can everybody see everybody's helmets?
Look at that, 5,000 helmets.
Are we ready to wear it? All right. So we're going to wear it in 3, 2, 1, all right?
Okay.
All right, here we go.
All right, 3. I need to hear everybody say 3. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it.
Everybody wears the helmet, everybody!
Everybody wear your helmets.
And everybody put the visor down. जो अपना सामने का जो ग्लास है उसको नीचे करो. And
buckle up. Buckle बांध लो. सामने का कांच जो वाइजर उसे नीचे कर दो. Everybody.
Is everybody wearing their helmet? I'm sure you are because you can't hear me anymore.
Okay, and all the
All
kids
right,
पीछे
visor
जो
down.
खड़े हुए हैं बैठ जाओ.
Now the most important thing when you wear your helmet is if it's of no use if you don't lock it. Has everybody locked their helmets? Has everybody locked their helmets? Nobody saying anything means they can't hear me, means they're wearing it.
Absolutely. All right, Miss Lucia, we'd like you to kindly come on the stage. Let's
And
give a big round
now-
of applause and welcome Miss Lucia.
Miss Lucia, who's here to officially witness from the Guinness Book of World Records team. We have Miss Lucia here with us.
सारे बच्चे, come on, give
How
a
are we
big round of
doing,
applause,
Miss
तालियां.
Lucia? Please come up on stage with a big round of applause. Thank you, Miss Lucia, for being here. Mr. Shahid Kapoor, Mr. Bhargav Das Gupta, you've met all of us, and the little kid, the luckiest kid in the house. Are we ready?
All right, Miss Lucia, here is what we have 4,999 kids together forming a helmet shape. And here it is. Everybody, kids, sare baith jao because it's going to be witnessed. You are under the scanner. Ab dekha jayega. Kya aap wo world record banate hain?
Bro, before that,
हाँ
there
जी।
is something more important.
हाँ जी।
हम यहाँ से वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड देखेंगे तो मजा नहीं आएगा।
तो ऊपर चले?
I think sir, आप आए हैं तो ऊपर से देखते हैं। Let's get to the watchtower and let's watch it from there. Let's go together, everybody. We are now attempting the Guinness Book. All the volunteer stewards, niche baith jao. Stewards, everybody, all the stewards. Sit down, all the stewards.
All right. एक मिनट।
Well.
सारे बच्चे sit down because the drone will capture you. Stewards, sit down. अब आपके ऊपर से एक कैमरा जाएगा जो देखेंगे कि क्या ये हेलमेट शेप में बना है कि नहीं. Stewards, sit down. Nobody is going to stand, all right?
Okay. Stewards near St. Paul. Baith jao. Everybody, stewards, please sit. We don't want to ruin this shot for anything in this world. Yeah, it's a Guinness Book of World Record, guys. Come on. Stewards, sit down. Stewards. Yeah.
अरे बैठ जाओ यार, सब बच्चे सुन रहे, बड़े क्यों नहीं सुन रहे? बैठ जाओ।
अच्छा, जो स्टुअर्ट खड़ा होगा,
Okay.
अगर नहीं बैठा तो फिर कभी नहीं खड़ा होगा.
एक क्विक चेक.
Alright,
बच्चे लोग हेलमेट पहना है, उसके आगे का जो कांच है हम उसे कहते हैं वाइजर. उसे नीचे कर दो सब लोग. I see a lot of visors up. उसे नीचे करो. नीचे करो. शाहिद सर. Shahid brother, I think you got to lead this.
All right, guys, are you ready? Are you ready to create a Guinness Book of World Record? Are you ready for it? 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 Is everybody's visor down? All right, should we do it? All right, let's do it. Who's doing it?
All right, we'll do it. We'll do it.
All right.
We'll do it.
Oh,
On
let's
the
do it.
count. Yeah, let's do
All
this.
right,
Let's do this.
Let's do
Ready?
this.
We're
All right.
making the Guinness Book of World Record. Damn, yeah, it's exciting. All right. All right, we are ready. We are on. Nobody moves. Nobody moves. Kids, stewards, sit down. Stewards, sit down.
All right, you know what?
All
आप
right,
जहाँ
the
पे बैठे
timer-
बैठे रहो because ऊपर वाला सब कुछ देख रहा है.
Guys, can everybody see? Everybody look up. Everybody look up. Can you see that little black thing up there? That's recording all of you. You're a part of the Guinness Book of World Records. Say hi. Everybody say hi. All right, that's it.
And now kids, hold on. Stage पे तुम्हें stopwatch दिख रहा है 5 मिनट का. The timer is on. We gotta hold ourselves. Sit down. वैसे ही hold your position. On screen हमारा timer है 4 मिनट 4 सेकंड बाकी है. We are attempting the Guinness Book of World Record. Everybody, kids, now stay straight.
All right, here we go. Here we go. अब आप मेरे बाद मेरे साथ pledge को पढ़ेंगे. All right, जोश से, जोर से, जज्बे से. मैं करता हूँ वादा. मैं करता हूँ वादा. ट्रैफिक रूल्स मानूंगा सदा. सुरक्षा से बड़ा कुछ भी नहीं.
हेलमेट के बिना राइड कभी नहीं. ये बात हमेशा रहेगी याद.
जान है पहले, बाकी उसके बाद. बाकी उसके बाद. क्या बात है.
And you see the timer on stage. We are 3 minutes out. 3 minute और है. You are going down in the books of history. Shahid, how cool is that? Guinness Book of World Record.
Yeah, this is amazing. I really think that we have to thank everybody who put this thing together. I have to thank ICICI for this amazing initiative. They were just telling me that they didn't have enough helmets for children, and they actually went and got these helmets manufactured. I think that's an amazing, amazing gesture. So this is fantastic. You guys are the future. You guys are the next generation. And you guys have to make sure that everybody follows safety rules, road rules. It's very important because the most important thing in life is health. And as far as you're healthy and as far as you're safe, everything is fine. So this is amazing. And I'm really, really thankful to be a part of this amazing moment. I feel very fortunate to be here. So thank you everybody who put this together. Thank you ICICI. This is a fantastic.
You
thing.
know what? I have to tell you
I've been able to speak for 1 minute. Now someone needs to take over for the last 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Just 10 seconds?
Yeah, 2
After the
minutes.
time was done.
बिल्कुल. अच्छा, you know what? सिर्फ 2 मिनट. 2 मिनट में या तो नूडल बन सकता है या रिकॉर्ड बन सकता है. नूडल तो कोई भी बना लेगा. हम बनाएंगे रिकॉर्ड. सिर्फ 2 मिनट. जैसे बैठे हैं वैसे ही बैठो. कोई हिलेगा नहीं, कोई उठेगा नहीं. बिकॉज ऊपर वाला सब कुछ देख रहा है. वहां पे जो कैमरा जो आपके ऊपर है, इट्स कैप्चरिंग यू. आप सिर्फ 2 मिनट दूर हैं इस वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड से.
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड. लिसन एवरीबॉडी, जब तक हम आपको हिलने नहीं बोलेंगे तब तक you don't move. And the song is also on. You know how to dance on this.
Everybody go for the song.
Let's go. Alright, we are still 15 seconds away. बच्चे लोग जब तक हिलने नहीं बोले हिलना मत. हेलमेट पहन के रखना है हमें. हेलमेट पहन के रखना है. You are doing amazing. You are getting into the Guinness Book of World Record, people. Wait. Keep wearing it. Keep wearing it.
Wait. All
My
right.
goodness.
All right, fantastic.
All right. ICICI लोम्बार्ड की ओर से आपने एक नया गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बना दिया है. 1 मिनट.
Wait, we gotta ask Miss Lucia.
Okay, Lucia.
Madam Lucia, what do you think? How do you think we were? Were we great? Were we awesome? Were we too good? We love you.
Absolutely great, of course.
Oh.
Thank you so much. You've done great.
Okay,
Thank you.
you know what? 4,999 बच्चे एक साथ मिस लूसिया को थैंक यू बोलेंगे ऑन द काउंट ऑफ 3 कॉल्स. हमने गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में अपना नाम दर्ज किया है. लेट्स डू अ थैंक यू ऑन द काउंट ऑफ 3. 1 2 3. ऑलराइट, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हाथ ऊपर करके एवरीबॉडी. एंड जिन्होंने हमें मौका दिया है आईसीआईसीआई लोम्बार्ड के लिए, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हाथ ऊपर करके.
You know, तालियां तो बजती रहेगी bro. I think स्लोगन भी है और चिल्लाना भी है, सबको आवाज भी करनी है.
Absolutely, let's do this. All right, बस हाँ, well अब हम आपके सामने स्लोगन्स भी बोलेंगे, लेकिन इससे पहले जो खड़े हुए हैं बच्चे प्लीज बैठ जाओ.
Okay bro, before we go on, सारे बच्चे लोग बेबी आपसे डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करेंगे, बट इनसे डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करते हैं शायद. अब ये गर्मी तो हो चुकी है, गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड भी बन चुका है. अब हेलमेट निकालते कैसे हैं वो भी आई रिक्वेस्ट शायद टू प्लीज शो इट टू अस. एवरीबॉडी, वी आल्सो गोना टेक ऑफ आवर हेलमेट्स व्हेन शायद
Everybody knows
does
how
it.
to take off their helmets? Yes? All right, let's do it on 3, 2, 1. There you go. I'm still struggling with it. I'll get there at some point.
अच्छा, जब ग्लव्स पहनेंगे तो थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. Very nice.
Superb, kids.
All
Now,
right.
kids, अपने helmets निकाल दो.
Okay. Now you know what? You know what, Aman? You and Shahid are going to make these guys do the slogans. Are we ready? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. No helmet, no ride. One,
You know
two-
the action. You know the action.
No helmet, no ride. No helmet, no ride. हेलमेट नहीं तो बाइक भी नहीं
तो बाइक भी नहीं.
हेलमेट नहीं तो बाइक भी नहीं Okay, let's go. Keep calm. Helmet on. Keep calm. Helmet on.
Proper actions. Keep calm. Helmet on.
Helmet on.
दिन हो या रात.
दिन हो या रात. बाइक पे हेलमेट.
हमेशा साथ.
हमेशा साथ.
दिन हो या रात.
दिन हो या रात. बाइक पे हेलमेट.
हमेशा साथ.
हमेशा साथ.
मत करो इतनी मस्ती.
मत करो इतनी मस्ती.
जिंदगी नहीं है सस्ती.
हाँ, that we'll do after the 5 minutes. We'll take a break for 5 minutes.
There's no break. I'm going in there. I'm going
उसे अपनाइए. सड़क सुरक्षा.
हाँ, तो she can come and sit. हाँ,
This is amazing.
अरे तुम लोग हटो ना यार. चलो साइड साइड. ये तुम लोग ही कर रहे हो.
सुनो गौर से दुनिया कमाल हो गया
All right, thank you so much, guys. It was amazing to be here. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, okay, okay. Relax, guys. Relax, relax. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. It was great to be here. Thank you. See you guys. No helmet, no ride. Ride safe and health is well. All right. Thank you. Bye.